In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to track a lost or stolen Android phone using Google Maps. If you're watching my video for today, I'm sure your Android phone was lost or stolen. I'm very sorry about that, but let's try and see how we could help you with suggestions that could help you trace or get your Android phone back. So the first thing is get hold of a laptop or another smartphone and do a Google search for Maps, or you could even utilize the application on your Android device, not a problem. So get to Google Maps. If you're using a desktop, that's the best thing. Okay, you may just be asked to sign in with your email address. Okay, just log in with the email address which was on the lost or stolen phone. After you log in, you are going to see an interface like this on which you could see maps and all the locations and everything. You just click on the menu and then you click on your timeline. Now once you do that, you're going to be directed to this page on which you could see that there's a notification telling you that this is no longer available on web browsers. So to view your timeline, you need to go ahead and check the application on an Android device. So just click on use the app. You get a pop-up like this, and just click on email to the specific email address that was on the phone that was lost or stolen. Okay, just click on email to this and an email goes to your email address. So you get hold of another Android device and you sign into your email account using the Chrome browser on that device. After you log in, you are going to see a notification from Google. Okay, because you sent a notification right now from your desktop. Click on view in Google Maps. It is going to direct you to the application. Now it may just ask you to log into your account. Just log in with your email address temporarily. And then to the bottom, you are going to see all the locations where your phone was. So whenever your phone is online, it is going to be recorded out here. So when a thief steals your phone, I'm sure they just don't want to format your phone and sell it. They would want to maybe just hack your bank account or hack your Instagram or Facebook account and see what they could do to earn some money from there, right? So you have a chance to keep an eye on the screen to see where your phone is at, because whenever it is coming online, it is going to get recorded out here. So say supposing it just came online sometime back, you could just click on that option and then just scroll to the left out here. Click on see place details, and once you click on that, you are going to get details for the place where the phone was. So if you think that you haven't been here and this is the current location for the phone, immediately get to this location and try and see if you could get your phone back. So wherever your phone is traveling basically, okay, with the thief, it is going to be recorded out here. Now if you do get your phone back using this method with Google Maps, do let me know in the comment section below. If you do not, do let me know by email so that we could work on a solution for this problem together. And if you like the video for today, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.